Hey everyone, welcome back to the Kia Hyundai channel. My name is Charlotte.
And I'm Gabby.
And today we got the updated, or really the official and only pricing, the MSRP for the 2025 Kia K4.
Ooh.
And today we get to share that with you guys.
All right, so the K4, it's a highly anticipated car. A couple months ago, we did do a video talking about what's going to come in every single trim level, but there was no pricing to be released. Literally today, we got pricing sent to our dealership, and you guys already know we're going to be the first to give you everything there's to know about upcoming cars, current cars, everything. All things Kia and Hyundai. So let's get right into it.
But before we do that, if that isn't reason enough to like, comment, and subscribe, make sure you do so.
Yes.
All right, tell me about that LX MSRP.
All right, so the LX is your entry trim level. It already comes with a bunch of great tech and safety, and it's going to be starting at $23,995 Canadian, which, I mean, it is certainly a little bit higher than the previous Forte, but this is a much larger vehicle with a lot more tech and safety packed in, so I'm very happy with that price point. I'm excited for that.
Definitely.
And then one up from that is...
we have the EX trim, and that's going to be priced at $26,495.
One up from that, just like what we had on the Forte, was the EX Plus, and we got that for $27,995 Canadian. I like how we're ending it with a 5.
I know.
That's nice. Nice
now,
and clean.
If you are looking for something a little bit sportier with a little bit more of a luxe interior, so some of those more premium features, we're going to have the GT Line Turbo, and that's going to come in at $31,495.
And then after that, this is going to be your top trim level, the GT Line Turbo Limited. So you may guess, it still has that turbocharged powertrain.
No way.
You wouldn't believe it. And that one's going to be priced at $34,495 Canadian. And these price points are going to be, of course, before taxes and fees. It's going to be before freight and air, levy, all of that stuff. So, of course, if you want full in-depth pricing, you will have to contact your local dealer. And if you're in Ontario, Canada, we can certainly be your local dealer.
Excited to see the Kia K4 come to light as well. We've seen the pre-production version, and now we're excited for them to actually hit the dealerships.
Absolutely.
Now, just as a reminder, we are a real dealership, so if you want to get into a brand new Kia K4, why not contact us? We actually deliver in the province of Ontario, and we would love to help you guys out with all things of your K4, or really all things for your Kia.
Yep. And if you want to know anything else about these trim levels, again, like I mentioned earlier, we have done a video explaining every single thing that's going to come in each of these individual trim levels, which we will link in the description of this video, so you can check that out. And I think that's about it.
I think that's it. We've got a great price point for these vehicles, something for everyone. And again, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.
See ya. Bye.